Are you at that point where it looks as though for you there is no hope again? Are you at that point where it looks as though everyone is using you for a laughing stock? It looks as though things are not going as you planned. Looking back at last year, you had already planned how you wish your year to go. At 1st of January, you had made New Year resolution. And this is the mid part of the year. Are you that person that you have even forgotten what your resolutions for this year look like? Are you that person that you're even scared to go and check because what you planned versus the reality, it is not intangent. It is not something appealing at all. Are you that type that you feel for you there is no hope? All hope is lost. Are you that type that feel you don't have support? So because there is no necessary support, you just live every day as it goes. You allow your life to chance. Then, if you're among that category, this video is actually for you. And that's why I will plead that please, at this point, ensure you subscribe. Ensure that you like this video. Ensure you drop reasonable comments if you appreciate what you're going to be hearing. And also, please help me share so that persons who want to restart their life, who want to pick up their life from where it was, people who want to fix their life, will get the opportunity to pick up their life again from that dungeon. And if you are that type of person that after watching videos like this, you'll be like, that was a nice one, that was a great one, keep it up. Please, if you have checked your life sincerely and you see there is no result at all versus the amount of work, versus the amount of time that you have spent pursuing that task, pursuing that goal, then this video, please, I would like you to put up a better attitude towards it. Because there are life transforming details I'm going to be hearing. And that's why I took time, because I didn't just want to give us haphazard information. I took time to journal them down. And I will plead for your permission to use my notepad, because we are talking about serious matters on this video. So without making further ado, how do we start up our life? What are those strategies? What are those mistakes that we have done that has kept us where we are? I will pick both of them hand in hand, the mistakes as well as the strategies, so that the video will not be too extensive. So the first one is that you have to destroy comfort before it destroys you. You have to destroy comfort before it destroys you. Are you that type that like the easy life, but yet you are not working for it? You just want to live a soft life, expecting that things would happen for you. No. If you are not working out your future, if you're not working out for what you dream for, if you're not working out your goals, your plan, life will not happen for you. Good things will not happen for you. Life will happen to you. That is just what it is. Have you wondered why the rich keep being rich, the poor keep being poor? Have you wondered the difference between champions and weaklings? Have you wondered the reason behind failures and successful people? The true difference is that some have decided to fight and get opportunity, because some have decided to fight their ways into opportunities. Some have decided to take the bull by the horn. So if you must be successful, if the remaining part of your year must be useful, you must destroy comfort. Because comfort is not peace. It is actually slow death in disguise. It is killing you slowly in disguise. And what do you need to do? You need to stop that sleeping, stop that slumber, stop all those skipping of gym. If you need to gym, fix up your health. My mom told me sometimes, like, why are you easily falling sick lately? That means there's something I've missed. That means she has been observing there's something I've missed and needs to be fixed. So stop skipping that gym. Stop scrolling up and down your social media chats, the comment box of people, social media pages or platforms, because those persons are making money out of your time while you are scrolling through. Ensure that you stop calling laziness relaxing. If relaxing does not bring in money to your pocket, then it is actually laziness. Take it from me. Start doing the hard things. Start doing those things that you felt is actually difficult to do. Those things you were scared of doing. Start doing them. Pick up your life. The next point and the next strategy is that most persons, when they want to bounce back, when they want to take action, they're taking action from the standpoint of regret or bitterness. No. forgive your past. Forgive your past, but don't forget the lessons it taught you. Forgive your past, but don't forget the lessons it taught you. Yes, you were weak. Yes, you were broken. Yes, you were disappointed. Yes, people actually betrayed you. There were actually orchestrations to make you wake up. There were orchestrations to spur that giant that was sleeping in you, to wake up the ego, to let loose its wings so you can fly higher. Okay, so that old ways you were taking landed you in that disappointment. See it as you improving on the new version of who you want to become for yourself, not for the pains others cost you. See it as an opportunity to rise. For me in person, if I want to share how many times I was embarrassed, I was denied employment a couple of times. But I took each of them as an opportunity to keep trying, to keep striving. And with each of them, I don't beat down my standard by going to take lower offer. No, I raised the banner. I picked up the standard. And that's why I got what I wanted. And I'm still pressing for higher goals. Because for me, I won't settle for less. And I know that's not the kind of life you want. So, forgive your past. Forgive those persons who disappointed you. Forgive those persons who betrayed you. See it as an opportunity that you are giving yourself that moment to rise again. That moment to start all over. Just see it as that opportunity. Okay? Having understood that, that will take us to the next point, which is detoxify your dopamine. Reset your mind. Detoxify your dopamine. Reset your mind. Dopamine work is to ensure that you avoid discomfort, you get pleasure and satisfaction at the expense of ease. That is the role of dopamine. So you have been doing those things that help you avoid difficult tasks, help you avoid responsibility and so on. And it have not yielded any positive response to you. So, detoxify yourself from those things that are giving you pleasure but yet leading to penury, that are giving you satisfaction but yet leading to poverty, that are giving you enjoyment but yet has future regrets in them. An instance, quit those adult content and pick up your life again. An instance, stop those gambling. You can gather up that money and set up something good for yourself. An instance, stop skipping that gym. There's a place for exercise as far as health is concerned. Pick up the gym. Stop skipping your schedule. Stop procrastination. Give yourself, okay, you may need to start first day off adult content, first day off gambling. You keep shifting the bar, and in the next one, it's already a week, 1 month, you keep shifting the bar, and celebrate each of your little win. As you achieve any goal, as you achieve any target, celebrate your little wins. It is a way of encouraging yourself. Let your little wins be your next dopamine release. Let the little successes be your next dopamine release. Be addicted with accomplishing new tasks, taking up new responsibility. The third one is I need to build a strict routine and stick to it. Have a routine that nothing can bend it for you. Nobody should just come into your schedule and mess up your life. Stop being over-available. If it is gymming every 30 minutes, ensure every day 30 minutes at least. If you need to set a time for study, ensure that 30 minutes each day you must study. If you have a particular time, 30 minutes every 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. 30 minutes every 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You must study, you must go to the gym, you must eat healthy. Stick to a strict schedule. Have a schedule for yourself. Don't be over-available for everything. Alright? So that will take us to the next point. The next point is that you need to train like a warrior. Because you don't prepare in battle, you prepare for battle. That's why you need to prepare with the battle mindset, with the view of battle in front, that you have a goal that need not just to be completed, but to be gallantly and excellently completed. So, stretch yourself. Yes, there is pain, but pain is sweeter when the end will result in pleasure. So, stop eating your future today and then suffer tomorrow. Bear the pain today. Bear the consequences today and enjoy tomorrow. Keep pushing yourself, keep stretching, push the bar, struggle, press harder. And with each little one, you'll get adjusting your capacity. It helps you build your capacity. Know that wealth and money do not go to people who want it, people who need it. It goes to people who deserves it. Wealth and money follows those who deserve it. Result only seek result and not excuses. Result do not seek excuses. You need to really know that. So if you are making excuses, forget it. You will not make anything useful or meaningful out of your life. Take up responsibility. Keep improving on your result. One day people will notice it and nature will definitely reward your effort. Having understood that, that will take us to our sixth point. The sixth point is that you need to cut off old friends and old circles. All those people that will serve as reminders to your old self, you need to cut them off. If they were gamblers, cut them off. If there were people that talk adult talks, do everything that have to do with them is women or man, ensure you cut them off. If there are people that make excuses, cut them off because you don't want to live a life that only explains but no action. If there are people that have behaviors you don't want to emulate, then cut them off. Those reminders that are in your phone that will serve as cues to return you back to your old self, you may need to put them off, delete them. Some apps, you may need to remove those apps from your phone. Some contacts, you may need to delete them from your phone book. You may need to delete some unnecessary contacts from your phone book. Because if the people that are in your circle are not impacting on you, then they will actually be draining from you. They can't stay in an oblivion. They can't be neutral at all. Nobody is neutral in your life. They are either profiting you or draining you. That is the blatant truth. That is the raw truth. So, there is this law called law of reflection, where people say, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. The kind of minds you rub with determine the kind of experiences you see in your life. So some set of persons, you may need to cut them off from your life so that you be able to think sharp and stop thinking dull. To have excellent results, it should be people that challenges you and not people that say, you don't try back rest. Man, after all, man no go come kill himself. No, that is not it. Surround yourself with people that enjoys challenges, that picks up challenges, and then they never give up. And that will take us to the seventh point. Learn one skill. Get so good in that skill and nobody will ignore you. Learn one skill. Get so good in it and nobody would ignore you. I told you that people only reward results. Reward goes to result. People that put in the effort, people that are good in what they are doing. You can't carry your house to your cousin or your brother who is in need of money just because they are in need of money or in need of work when they are not engineers. You go to the best of engineer. That's to show you people appreciate excellence. So people, just like the scripture will say, that men shall come to your rising and kings to the brightness of your rising. So kings come to the brightness of your light. But mere men, common men, ordinary men will only come when they start seeing improvement. Until you get to that point where the person you are serving is a king. Because the gift of a man is supposed to make room for him and bring him before kings. So until you get to that point where the person you are serving is a king, then do not stop. Do not give up. Keep striving. Pick up one skill. Master the skill. Don't be jack of all trade, then master of none. Ensure that you pick up one skill, undergo the training, explore all necessary information you need to know and be very good in it before you will take up the next skill. And that will take us to the number 8 point. The next point is that you need to kill lust before it kills your dreams, before it kills you. Some person may have super appetite for sleep, some may have super appetite for woman or man, some may have super appetite for comfort. Anything that you know is your trap, is your flaw, things that you cannot easily resist, do away from them. Cut them off. Cut them off. Master yourself. Master yourself. Ensure you get mastery over your appetite, over your desires, and over what you need. Don't allow yourself to be driven by every hook and jack, every this and that comes your way. Ensure that you master your appetite. The next point which is you need to go ghost at some point. You need to go ghost at some point and build in silence. This is one thing most people don't know. Life in the 21st century is on the rush. People are always rushing here, there, trying to catch fast. The flight in dopamine and serotonin. But they never have time to reflect, to meditate, to think deep. So you need to give yourself some moment. Do you know people value you when you are not too available? Rare commodities have higher value than usual commodity, regular commodity. So give yourself that moment sometime. It's not every places you must visit. It's not every person you must see. It's not every ceremony you must attend. Give yourself that moment where you hibernate and then you come out strongly. In your period of retreat, don't be distracted. Focus on it. Stay until you master, until you come out refined, until you come out perfectly, until you come out differently. Go through that retreat very well. And the last but not the least is that you need to also add God into the equation. Don't put away the place of God. Vain is the help of a man. Man will plan. It is God that gives the victory. The horse is prepared for the battle. It is God that will give the victory. The dream of Nebuchadnezzar was revealed on the bedside of Daniel by the divine intervention of God. The solution that will save Egypt was revealed to Joseph by the intervention of God. So do not play down on the place of God. Do not play down on your instinct too. Go closer to God. Sharpen up your discernment. Pray for the guidance of God. Don't just take life major decisions without seeking the assistance of God. I believe after saying all this, you have learned one or two things. Let me know which one actually caught you. And then let me know what you want to start up with. Let's discuss in the comment box. I hope by this time you have actually subscribed. Please don't forget, I plead of you to share this video. Like this very video. And then try to always visit back, because I look forward to that moment when this particular channel becomes your most favorite click. But for now, stay safe. Cheers.